Good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss about on the topic supply of money. Concept of supply of money. The supply of money is stock concept and not a flow concept. The term supply of money is synonymous with such terms as money stock, stock of money, money supply and quantity of money. The term supply of money refer to the stock of money held by the public in a spendable from. In other words, it is the stock of liquidity asset in an economic which can be freely exchanged for goods and service. Professor Milton Friedman defines the money supply at any moment of time, literally the number of dollars people are carry around in the pocket, the number of dollar they have their credit to bank or dollar they have to credit to bank in the from the demand deposit and also commercial bank time deposit. The concept of money supply has two important features. First one, it is a stock variable. The concept of money supply is stock variable. It is referred to the total sum of money available in economy at the point of time and not a period of time. Second one, supply of money means the amount of money held by the public. Money supply here mean the amount of money held by the public. The terms public refer to all categories of holders and money such as individual, business firms, industry, undertaking, state and local government bodies, other the central government or treasury, central bank and commercial bank. Determinants of money supply. There are two view of the determinant of the supply money. According to one view, the money supply is determined exogenous by the central bank. According to the another view, it is a determined homogeneous by the changing in the economic activities which affected people desire to held currency relative deposit, the rate of interest, etc. Thus the determinant of the money supply are both endogenous. They are first one, required the reserve ratio. An increase in the required reserve ratio, minimum cash reserve ratio, reduce the supply of money the commercial bank and decreases into increases to the supply. Second one, level of bank. Second one, level of bank reserve. When the reserve increases, the supply of money will increases and vice versa. Third one, public desire to hold currency and deposit. When people have strong desire to hold cash relative to bank deposit, the money supply will be decreases. On the people have less desire to keep money in cash from the money supply will increases. Fourth one, high powered money. High powered money is the sum of the commercial bank reserve and currency held by the public. Bracket H is equal to R plus C bracket close. It is known as reserve money and survey has monetary base. The supply of money varies directly with the changes of the monetary basis and the universally with the currency and the reserve ratio. Fifth, other factors. The money supply is the also influenced by the interest rate, income level of business activities, etc. Type of money supply. There are two measures of the money supply with the denoted by M1 narrow money and M2 broad money. There are discussed below. First one, narrow money, M1. A set of very liquid asset to in noun in a narrow money. In other words, narrow money may be defined as currency and demand deposit with the public. It is the sum of the public holding of currency and deposit money with bank withdrawal on the demand. Thus, according to the narrow approach to the money supply, M1 compare to of the currency with the public C, and second demand deposit with bank D. Therefore, it can be started as M1 is equal to C plus D plus OD. When M1 respected narrow money, C respected currency with the public, D stand for demand deposit with the banking system, OD from deposit, state government and other deposit with the commerce central bank. Broad money, a set with which also include less liquidity asset in known as abroad money. In other words, abroad money aggregated in complete by the ending time deposit to the M1. This is known aggregate money sources. Thus the major component of the broad money supply. M2 compared to of the currency with the public and demand deposit with the bank. Bracket 1 plus 2 M1 and the M1 M2 the deposit with bank with therefore the abroad money for the cannot started. M2 is equal to M1 plus time deposit with the bank system. M1 and M3 are the measured which the extremely used both for the public decisions and the academic access to the between the two abroad money. M2 concept is extensively used for the formulating the macroeconomics objectives of the economy in many countries of the world. In addition to M1 and M2, they are the two concepts of the money supply. That is M3 and M4 they can be started with the given below. M3 is equal to M1 plus post office saving bank deposit. M4 is equal to M3 plus deposit comparing time deposit and the demand deposit. Third one, credit creations as a sources of money supply. Creations of credit is one of the most important functions of the modern bank. When a bank creative credit or advance loan, there tends up to multiple expressions of the creations of the bank system. This increase the total volume of the purchasing power of the liquidity of the money. Professor Sayer mark banking are the not namely for the purposes to the money, but they are the important season manufacturing of the money are these created the creations by the bank has been the virtual bringing to the almost more banking. Thank you one and all.